Let's go to the second product, which is still this colored and anti-dyed ones. They act very similar to the one I just showed you, okay? Put it on the sheets as well, similar, same thing, you see? Here are the sheets. So the advantage of this specific one, why we do have two different, the advantages of this one is because they effectively prevent the cross dyeing. So what does that mean? You don't have to wash your clothes separately. You don't have to wash whites and blacks and color clothes. You can put everything together because it helps prevent fading, and it has this really strong color locking technology. So very, very good in order to avoid you to have to wash your clothes separately, all right? So again, super dissolvable on water, so you time save, you don't have to keep pouring and do that. You just throw the sheet on the washing machine with the clothes and it will work just like that, okay? It has this tear pull buckle design, so super convenient to use. It's made out of fiber, so it doesn't shed fluff, so it will not leave fluffs on your clothes because it will dissolve, okay? It has this mesh structure design, so it really absorbs the color impurities, super, super good. It has something that I like, which is this activated carbon purification power. So it uses absorbed fluorescent agent. It efficiently absorbs harmful heavy metals and consolidate the color. It prevents the stains, basically. And then obviously, eco-friendly, super suitable for babies as well. Very, very nice. This one, regular price is $2. On our live stream here with me now for $1.90. Guys, that's a 5% off. This is not an offer that you can find anywhere else. You're talking here about WHITECAT, about Shanghai Hutchison WHITECAT, one of the biggest and best brands for household supplies in China and the world. So don't miss this opportunity, all right? These are the special anti-dyeing laundry sheets. So very, very good if you don't want to worry about going for washing whites and blacks and colorful clothes. Here, you can just use these ones, okay? You don't have to worry about these kind of things.